Hi everyone, welcome to The Explorer. I'm Miss Jane.
I'm Puan Pang.
Today we will look at reading comprehension. Remember last week's passage is the same title, How to Make Ham Salad, and also The Stolen Car.
Please take out your vocabulary book. I want you to take out this paper. Remember last week you already read this passage, so please take it out.
Passage 1. Now I want you to take out your passage 1. Let's read the passage together. How to make mushroom and ham salad. Making mushroom and ham salad is as easy as ABC. First, 5 cooked button mushrooms are cut into small pieces and mixed with 2 cut spring onions. Then, 100 grams of cooked ham are cut into small cubes. All the mushrooms, onions, and ham are put in a large bowl. Toss them well. Finally, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and olive oil are added into the salad. To make the salad more flavorful, some coarsely shredded cheese are sprinkled on top. Alright, so now it's your turn to read. So please read the passage aloud. Passage 2. Last month, John's car was stolen in Taman Cheras, Kuala Lumpur. The front window was smashed by the thief, and the car was driven out of the city. It was kept in an abandoned site for a week. Finally, the window was repaired and it was sold on the black market to a used car dealership. Soon, it was bought by a young man who drove it home to visit his family in Taipei. Upon reaching Taipei, the young man was pulled over for speeding. The car was seized by police because the license plate indicated it was stolen. Finally, the car was returned to John. He couldn't believe all the crazy things that had happened to his car.
So next, take out your composition comprehension book.
Are you ready with your composition comprehension exercise book? Take out your passage 1 as well. Alright, okay, so you're going to answer questions based on passage 1 first. Copy the question. Number 1. List all the ingredients needed to make mushroom and ham salad. Okay, so list means 列出 all the ingredients 材料 needed to make mushroom and ham salad. So of course you can find the answer in the passage. And I want you to list all the ingredients 全部. So when you answer 全部材料, so when you answer the question, you say the ingredients needed are 需要的材料是什么？这里就列出全部，最后的是写 and多一个了。Okay, so just to remind you, a soy sauce, okay, those are not considered as ingredients, 不是 olive oil 那种就不算了。Okay, so 材料，我们就是讲材料要做这个 ham 的材料。Okay, so check your answers on your own. Okay, if you think that I'm too fast, you need to pause first. Then only you continue with number 2. Alright, leave for line number 2. What must you do to the button mushrooms and ham before they are put in a large bowl? Okay, so please read passage 1. What must you do to the button mushrooms and ham before they are put in a large bowl? Okay, so you need to put all these mushrooms and also ham into a large bowl, right? Okay, so before you put them in the large bowl, what must you do to the button mushrooms? See, so when you answer the question, you can use the passive form. or you can use the active form. So if you use active, then you have to say I. 我必须什么？切，对吧？我必须切那些 butter mushrooms and ham. Okay, right? And then if you want to tell me how you cut them, then you can add in, right? 怎样切？我必须要切那个 butter mushrooms into small pieces, okay, and cut the ham into small cubes. 一个 cube. Right? Okay, so write on your own. It's two parts. 一个是切成 right? Small pieces. 另外一个是切成 cubes. Small cubes. Okay, write on your own the answer. Leave a line. Number 3. Salt, soy sauce, and olive oil are... Okay, so there are 4 answers here. You need to choose one of the answers. Okay, now I'm not going to tell you the answer. What you need to do is you can check the dictionary if you do not know the meaning of the words. Question number 4. Why do you think some costly shredded cheese are sprinkled on the salad? Okay, so you can find this answer in the last paragraph, the last sentence. See, look at the last paragraph, the last sentence. What do you say? Some costly shredded cheese are sprinkled on top. On top means on the salad. Okay, why? So you can start your answer with the word this is because. This is because. What will happen to the salad? This is because the salad subject verb will be more. Will be more. 将会更加好吃啊，对啊，更加好吃。Alright, so that's the answer for number 4. Okay, try writing it out on your own. Last question for passage 1. Number 5. Do you like this dish? Give a reason for your choice. Okay, so the first part of the question is, do you like this dish? If your answer is yes, I liked this dish. If your answer is no, then you have to write, no, I don't like this dish. Okay, after that, you need to give a reason for your choice. So what is the reason for your choice? This is because, and you write your own answer. Okay, so I'm not going to give you an answer, you tell me. If you like the dish, tell me why you like the dish. If you don't like, then tell me why you don't like the dish. Passage 2. Okay, you can write title, passage 2, leave a line. Question number 1. Whose car was stolen? Okay, so this is a very good, easy question. So what you need to do is you copy the question again and you write the answer. Whose car? 谁的车被偷了？ See, so was stolen 是被偷。So you write your answer first. John's car, Peter's car. Remember the apostrophe s, yeah, was stolen. That's for question number 1. Leave a line. Question number 2. Where was the car kept for a week? Where was the car kept for a week? See, so when you write the answer, subject, the car. Verb was kept. 被收，那辆车被收 and they give the answer straight away. 收在哪里? Okay, check your passage. The answer is found in the passage. Then only you write for a week. So the end, the last part of the sentence, you write for a week. Okay, so I repeat, subject, the car, verb was kept. 被收，收在哪里? Find the answer and write. Okay, pause. If you think that too fast, you need to pause. Number 5. What was done to the car before it was sold on the black market? What was done to the car before it was sold on the black market? See, so when you write the answer, you just need to tell me what was done to the car. Okay, so 不用再抄了，抄这个 question only when you answer, the answer straight away. Okay, what was done to the car before it was sold on the black market? 那辆车被修理了，对吧？ Alright, okay, so find the answer in the passage. Okay, it's not difficult, you can find it. What was done to the car? So the car was repaired, 对吧？被修理了 ，OK， 然后他们就卖去那个 black market。Okay, leave a line. Answer, write the answer first, then only you leave a line. Question number 4. Who bought the stolen car? Okay, so this answer is also very easy. Who? So you write the answer first. 那个人的 ，okay， 谁来的 ？Then only your verb bought. After that, the stolen car. So give the answer. Look at your passage and you can write the answer. Question number 5. Leave a line. Question number 5. Why was he stopped by the police? See, why? So ask a question with the word why. When you answer, you can say this is because. Okay? Why was he stopped? 被停，被were asked to stop. 他被警察叫停。There's the word pull over. Remember the word pull over? Okay, so 为什么？ Okay, why? Why the young man was pulled over by the police? 就是 was stopped by the police. Okay, so your answer 这个是因为 this is because 他做什么？他驾车快是吧？ Right, 驾车快，所以他被警察叫停。So how to say the word is given there? Speeding. So subject. This is because subject he, and then the verb was speeding. Okay, so a very simple answer. You don't have to write long. 这个是因为他驾快车 he was speeding. Okay, so leave a line. Question number 6. Why did the police seize the young man's car? See, so ask a question with did, you see? Seize, no did. No past tense based on verb. Okay, so when you answer, you can write the past tense of seized. Alright, so for this question, you actually just need to say this is because. 这个是因为 because ask a question with why again. 为什么 Why? So answer this is because. Okay, so then talk about what? Check and see. 为什么警察要拉或是拿回那辆车，那个 young man 的车他买的，但是警察要收回，为什么 ？Okay, the answer is actually found in the passage because this is because talk about the license plate, 对吗 ？Alright, okay, so check and write on your own. 讲那个车牌怎么样，所以他就拿回那个 young man's car. Okay, so leave a line. Finally, did John get back his car? Okay, so of course the answer is 有，对吧 ？Yes. Finally, John subject verb past tense of get. Ask the question did and past tense of get is got back his car. 最后 Okay, so of course you need to use yes or no, right? Yes. Finally, John got back his car. Alright, so that's for number 7. And the last one, list 2 ways to prevent your car from being stolen. These were 2 ways to prevent your car from being stolen. You understand the meaning? Prevent 就是避免你的车被偷，怎么样？想出2个方法。Okay, so it's very easy during the exam. Please remember to write what you know. 你会写的 ，Okay? Spelling 你会写的，你就写。如果不会的，你只是讲华语，然后不会写，也是没有用，对吗 ？Okay, so what are the 2 ways that you can prevent your car from being stolen? I think a very easy one is that you can start your answer with the word I must. Okay, I must. 时常我一定要时常锁车哦，一定要锁车。没有的话就是 this is one way to prevent your car from being stolen, right? Now always lock. I must always lock. Okay, 那个门。See, then next one. 不要给人家这样容易偷我们的车，怎么样呢？给来讲 parking 的时候 ，parking 的时候讲，应该在我不应该 park 在哪里？我不应该 park 在很黑暗的和没有人的地方，对吧？黑暗 ，OK， 所以黑暗就是 dark，D-A-R-K， 哎。没有人的就很偏僻的地方，不要park车。偏僻要的是 deserted. Okay, you've learned this word before. Deserted. D-E-S-E-R-T-E-D. D-E-T-E-R. D-E-S-E-R, sorry. D-E-S-E-R, deserted. T-E-D. D-E-S-E-R-T-E-D. Deserted. Okay, so you can think of these two answers and you can write it out. Homework to be signed this week are the answers to all the questions, passage 1 and passage 2. Okay, so take a picture and send these answers to us.
That's all for today's lesson. Thank you. Subscribe to Explorer for more lessons. Have a nice day.